Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the opacity of the subtitle outline on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button under the playlist option the left side on the screen and click to the settings icon. Scroll down and in the extra settings section you can find the subtitles option. In the subtitles outline section, if this function is enabled, you can find the third option, the opacity, and just put the circle on the line, and this is the mode which you can edit the opacity. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.